Ever wondered how parts specialists move from job-ready to Red Seal certified? Let's unpack that journey step by step. The parts technician certification is more than just a title. It's proof that you know how to manage inventory, source components, and keep everything running behind the scenes. Across Canada, certified parts technicians are key players in industries like transportation, heavy equipment, and agriculture. They keep operations smooth by ensuring the right part is always on hand. So how do you become certified? It starts with training and on-the-job experience. You'll need to build knowledge in technical cataloging, inventory control, safety standards, and customer service. This means working with ordering systems, identifying thousands of part types, and communicating clearly with vendors and mechanics. Once you have the hours and experience, you can challenge the Red Seal exam. This test is recognized nationwide. It means once you pass, your skills are respected in every province. No extra hoops to jump through. The exam includes 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions and takes about 4 hours to complete. Expect practical questions based on real scenarios, industry standards, and safety protocols. Here's the thing, preparation is everything. Most successful candidates study steadily over 3 to 6 months. That's where tools like redsealstudyguide.ca can really help. You'll find focused study material like Q&A books, explanation-style resources, and timed online tests to simulate the real thing. Each tool is made to match the structure of the Red Seal exam and helps reinforce the material in ways that stick. And if it's been years since you've studied, don't worry, you're not alone. Many parts technicians are mature learners returning to the trade after life experience. Some are newcomers to Canada. Others are experienced workers who just never got around to certification. The Red Seal isn't just for apprentices. It's for everyone who wants to show their skills, meet a national standard. Earning your parts technician certification can open doors to higher-paying jobs, leadership roles, or even your own business. Certified techs are often first in line for promotions, specialized tasks, and union-backed roles. They also gain more respect on the job site and added peace of mind, knowing their ticket travels with them wherever they go in Canada. And let's not forget the pride. Getting that Red Seal is a moment of real accomplishment. It proves you've mastered your trade and committed to your future. So here's your next move. Start your prep with the right tools. Break your study into small goals and use resources from redsealstudyguide.ca to build confidence every step of the way. Because your certification isn't just a test, it's a launchpad for everything you've worked toward. And that future, it starts today, with you.